The P-Night CP0802 is a multifunctional and smart switch that can be used as a power sequencer, a DMX relay, and an RS485 smart switch. It features 8 3-prong outlets, 1 OLED display system, 1 power switch, 1 3-pin female XLR output, 1 3-pin male XLR input, and a multi-voltage universal auto-switching power supply. Power to the outlets can be scheduled to automatically switch on/off. This unit can be mounted in a standard 19-inch rack space using the included removable rack mount ears. We have 2 options available, the 20A version and the 40A version. The 20A version means the device has a maximum rated output current of 20A with a NEMA 515P 3-prong plug. The 40A version means the device has a maximum rated output current of 40 with open wiring. With wide AC input of 90 to 240 volt, the device can handle AC voltage outlets from all over the world. Our P-Night PDU has 3 operating modes. There is manual mode, DMX mode, code mode. First of all, adjust the mode to the manual mode in the main menu. M is displayed in the upper right corner of the screen, indicating that we have completed the settings. Then select the delays option to enter the submenu. There are 3 options: timing, start, end. We can choose any submenu in it and set the internal time of the device through 4 buttons. Set the timing parameter to 01.00, which means that when one relay is powered on, it takes 1 second to wait for the next relay to be powered on. Set the start parameter to 02.00, which means before the power sequencer runs, there is a delay time of 2 seconds. Set the end parameter to 003.00, which means with a delay of 3 seconds, this power sequencer can be powered off. Now let's check it. When we want more than 8 outlets, we can get another same device and set the start to 10.00. Power on 2 devices at the same time. It's easy to set the start time to expand your outlets. If we just need 4 outlets, we can also set it up. First, select the manual option to enter the submenu. Choose 1, 2, 3, 4 to be on, and 5, 6, 7, 8 to be off. Now it's good to go. Our P-Night CP0802 is a complete solution for delivering power and DMX data to DMX fixtures. Greatly simplifies your pre- and post-show routines. First of all, adjust to the DMX mode in the main menu, then select the DMX 512 option to enter the sub-menu. The first sub-menu is DMX address, the second sub-menu is the channel option. There are 3 channel options available, 2CH, 8CH and 10CH. First of all, Let's set the DMX address to 001, and choose the channel option to 2CH. The number 2 is displayed in the upper right corner of the screen. Now we plug 8 LED bulbs as the load of each outlet, and plug our Wi-Fi DMX EasyNode Plus into XLR port, and open our app, Wi-Fi DMX Pro, as the DMX controller to send DMX data to DMX relay. Now we push the first fader, and all LED lights are light up at the same time, then set the DMX value of the second channel to 8. And pull down the first fader. You are seeing the 8 LED lights go out one by one. Then we set the DMX value of the second channel to 100. Then push the first fader. The 8 LED lights light up one by one, but it took longer to complete the process. Let's refer to the channel table of 2CH. The first channel controls the switching properties of the relays, and the second channel controls the delay time. This 2CH option is suitable for remote sequential power on and power off control. Choose the channel option to 8CH. Number 8 is displayed in the upper right corner of the screen. Then push the first fader. The first LED lights on. Push the second fader. The second LED lights on. Push the third fader, the third LED lights on. Push the fourth fader, the fourth LED lights on. Push the fifth fader, the fifth LED lights on. Push the sixth fader, the sixth LED lights on. Push the seventh fader, the seventh LED lights on. Push the eighth fader, the eighth LED lights on. Let's refer to the channel table of 8CH. It is very obvious that the 8 channels are the switches of 8 relays respectively. Choose the channel option to 10CH. Number 10 is displayed in the upper right corner of the screen. Let's refer to the channel table of 10CH directly. Obviously, this 10CH is a combination of 2CH and 8CH. No more demonstrations here. P-Night Smart Switch can receive RS-485 signal from an intelligent central controller, or personal computer, to control 8 devices. For details, please refer to the manual book.